Evening, folks. Sunday evening again. Sean, the EQ Commando, sharing kindness and some top tips to help us get through week 5 of our lockdown. So a friend of mine and client has asked me to post something on what we call Safe, Belong, Matter, a culture that you can create in an organization based on 3 subconscious questions that everybody asks. We're all asking them in every walk of life, every day, week, month, for the whole year. When you understand this as a leader, whether that's a leader in an organization, a team leader, head of a family, if such a thing exists in your world, when you are in a relationship with somebody else, or you're a parent, that's a form of leadership. So if you understand that every single person is just trying to answer these 3 subconscious questions, then you'll be in a much better position to be able to answer positively for them. You don't have to actually answer, but who you are being and the actions you take will demonstrate to them whether they're safe, they belong, and they matter. So let's dive into it. First question is, am I safe? Now, out in the street, that's maybe a physical safety. You're walking along, you're looking, making eye contact with somebody. Am I safe? You might not make eye contact because you don't want to feel unsafe, right? But in all interactions all the time, the first time you shake hands with somebody, you're joining a new team, you're meeting someone for the first time that you've heard something about, or you're starting a relationship with somebody, or you're interested in doing that. So you're always looking to ask yourself and to prove to yourself that you're safe. Now, sometimes it's physical safety, but in the workplace, in home life and personal relationships, you're really talking about psychological and emotional safety. So we're all trying to make sure that if we expose ourselves, become vulnerable in a situation, that we're ultimately going to be safe. In leadership, if you understand that critical piece, in everything you do and say and who you're being, you can demonstrate to the person that they are usually physically safe in an environment of work, but definitely that they're emotionally and psychologically safe. If they share something with you, that you keep it to yourself, or that you assist and support them in developing it or dealing with it. Okay, so answering the question is safe, first time. Do I belong? Are these people my tribe, is the second question. Are they like me? Again, in the street and the interactions you may have with people, you're looking to see if they're like you, if they're like-minded, if they're supportive of your ideals and the way you want to be in the world, and vice versa. And usually if they look like us, they sound like us, they move like us, then we generally go, oh, well, I belong with these people. They're sort of in my tribe. Even in a diverse culture within an organization or within families, the same question is always asked all the way along. Do I belong with this person? Are they treating me right? Do I feel safe with them? And do I belong because I feel safe? If I don't feel safe, the very next question is, do I really belong here? And again, in leadership, if you understand that, you can help answer the question in the positive. Once we know we're safe and that we belong, the next need that we're going to try to get met is to prove to ourselves that we matter. And when we matter, we must belong. And when we belong, we feel safe. It becomes this sort of infinity loop. And again, in leadership, one of the critical ways of helping people prove to themselves and for you to demonstrate that they matter is when they share something, when they offer an idea, when they jump on a project to assist, is that you can support them in that in the positive. So you can let them know that their voice is being heard. To be heard and understood. I put a video out about that the other day. To be heard and understood is one of our deep human needs. So if you as a leader, as a partner, in any relationship, as a father or mother, brother, sister, it goes on in your community. If you can answer the question that somebody matters by listening, by active listening, by putting forward their ideas, by then giving them the praise and the kudos for the idea afterwards, and really demonstrating to them that they matter, you're going to create magic. Because if they matter somewhere, they must belong there. If they belong, they feel safe. Safe, belong, matter. In every single relationship that you get involved in, you demonstrate the positive answers to those subconscious questions, or you don't. And remember this: if in any relationship someone feels like they don't matter, they'll very quickly question whether they belong to this tribe or in this relationship. And if they don't belong, they're going to feel unsafe. And if they feel unsafe, they're going to leave. They're going to not engage with, not contribute, and you won't get the best out of them. Safe, belong, matter. 3 subconscious questions we're all asking all the time. I hope that's helped you, whether it's at home or in the workplace. You're leading yourself, you're leading others all the time. Sean, the EQ Commando, signing off. Like, comment, share. It's the way we get the message out. Sharing it is super important. Please do so. Like, comment, share. I'll see you again. Take care.